Hey guys, just wanted to talk to you guys about the Lydian mode. It is, I would say, it's the best sound when it comes to like the fourth note. For me, for some reason, it is the best, no doubt about it. It's mysterious. It's like, it doesn't sound like a major key. It doesn't really, it has its own sound. You know what I mean? Not very, it's very mysterious sound to it. You don't know where it's going a lot. So I'm gonna give y'all some things to try with the mode. And the thing that really makes it stick out, that specific sound, is this pedal right here. I don't know what it is. Super coarse, this specific pedal, it makes this sound even more mysterious. I don't know what it is, right? And it took me 10 years, I think, around 10 years of my life, trying to find something that had that other mysterious sound to it. And to me, that's where it all starts. That's what makes it even more mysterious sounding. So usually I set this between two delays, so it'll be a delay, this to delay, and then the one of the delays is set a little different, and then the other one's set way different. So it's like, and sometimes I'll use just one delay, but most of the time, if I'm playing the Lydian mode, I'm using this pedal right here. Yeah, it's just something about it. I remember I was Guitar Center used to have, I don't know what y'all's have, but mine used to have like this boss area you go to, has all these pedals. Now they don't really have that stuff anymore. I don't know why. At least my area doesn't. Guitar Center, bring that back. I like that part. But yeah, like if I were to buy any pedal, this would be the one. This is it, dude. Like this has an amazing sound. Paired with a really good tube amp, man, it's just unbelievable, like, what you can get out of it. So I don't know why Guitar Center stopped doing that. I mean, that was cool. You could go in and their set of effects, you could hit the button on them and then see how they sounded. And it took me a long time to figure out that sound. Like, I didn't know, because there was no YouTube back then. You couldn't really just type in what you wanted to try or hear. So it's like, and it's one of those things you need to hear it for yourself. You don't have to, but like, if you actually did it, you'd understand what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's go see how this is. Okay, for the first thing I like to do is I like to tune. So let me make sure I'm in tune. The way I like to tune is I like to keep the red thing like that. I want it just barely touching. It comes back down. That's the Okay, so D. We're going D Lydian. Okay. So right now I don't have the pedal on, right? It's just the two delays. Okay. But that interval right there, that's the one, man. Here's the first one. So D, right? We slide up to the fourth interval. Or you can bend up to it. That's a really cool one. Skipping intervals, you know, so. Gotta keep that D string going, you know. Now watch this, I'm gonna sharp the 4, see how it sounds. Start at the 4, slide into the 4. To the melody. You really don't know. You don't really necessarily want to start on the actual on the home. I like on the home. So you start there and then start knowing. So the first 3 notes mean a lot. Like I was telling you guys before. Let's turn on the chorus now. Okay, so now I have the chorus engaged. You can hear it changing. Now I'm gonna go into the video. You ready? Cool, isn't it? That fourth tonality, man. You hear how cool it sounds. Its brother is like Lydian or major. Adding space. Literally, you just slide up to that 4, you know? Slide to the 3. Go like. Hey guys, that was the end of the video. So just remember, like and subscribe.